Hello guys and welcome to CGFamily. This week we are going to learn the new cached playback feature in Maya 2019. So let's get started. Let's first get a sphere. Now let's see. We have the cached playback on. So when we press a keyframe and another and animate it, you should see a blue line down here. Now that's your cached playback. Now if I play it, you won't see much that has changed. But if we complicate scene a bit, let's first get back to the first frame, go to edit, delete all by type and channels. Now we don't have any animation and the cached playback is gone. Let's complicate scene a bit. Go to mesh, create a network out of it, and just to animate it, add a signal node. So as you can see, as I scrub through the timeline, and well, it already cached now, it's all cached now, so it's pretty smooth on the viewport. Now go to distribute and increase these. Now you see it took some time to fill. Let's increase them a bit more, let's say 200. Now you see it filling. Now if I play it right now, see the smooth and see this, it's caching while loading. So once it scrubs through, you have the smooth animation back again. So now your scene won't be heavy, you can scrub around, look at it from different angles. Well, that was a cached playback feature in Maya 2019. If you want to learn more quick tips and tricks, then head over to our channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.